AVAX cost might actually arrive at its expected high of $34.16 toward the finish of 2023. Avalanche cost with a potential flood could go as high as $197.18 toward the finish of 2030. The torrential slide network has collected the interest and preferring of the majority from the crypto space with its heavy essentials. Furthermore, worthwhile advantages, for example, lightning-quick exchange paces and adaptability, among others. To enhance this is the return on initial capital investment of a VAX, which as of now weights around 3,476.80% since its least known esteem. In a new buzz, Torrential Slide Labs has teamed up with Chainlink. The organization is supposed to enable torrential slide in areas like NFT, DeFi, and GameFi. Ethereum, Solana Labs, Polkadot Organization, Land, and Binance work on comparable innovation, and every one of these popular cryptos are viewed as the top opponents to torrential slide. AVAX is really buckling down on making its innovation more affordable and eco-accommodating. With this environment, validators with negligible equipment can scale to millions. The bold basics, drives, and advancements have been a basic explanation for torrential slide being on the list of must-dos. Are you excited about putting resources into AVAX? Look no further as we bring to you the AVAX cost expectation 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Torrential slide professes to have quicker exchange time when contrasted in Ethereum blockchain innovation. In spite of Ethereum cost is the most well-known token in altcoins, Torrential Slide is said to have a superior organization, which gives its clients quicker exchange administrations with less expensive gas charges and said to be more dependable and eco-accommodating. AVAX value expectation 2023 to 2030. Torrential Slide has quicker exchanges speed each subsequent when contrasted in crypto Goliaths like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. Sending shrewd agreements on Torrential Slide costs simply a tenth of what they cost on Ethereum. The Ethereum virtual machine is completely running on Torrential Slide. With the assistance of Torrential Slide, span moves of Torrential Slide and Ethereum resources between blockchains will become more straightforward and quicker. Torrential Slide cost for 2023 could go from $17.54 to $34.16. What is AVAX? Torrential Slide is the arising savvy contract stage in the crypto business and is the quickest as estimated by time to certainty. Furthermore, has the most validators getting its action of any verification of stake convention. AVAX stage is blasting fast, which gets supplements from the organization's minimal expense and eco-accommodating qualities. Torrential Slide has its own local token AVAX. The token is utilized to pay for expenses and secure the organization through marking. Furthermore, given essential unit of record between the different subnets made on AVAX, it professes to have quicker exchange time when contrasted in Ethereum. Ethereum cost is the most famous token in altcoins. However, Torrential Slide is said to have a superior organization. AVAX coin value expectation 2023. The Torrential Slide establishment has sent off Torrential Slide Multiverse, a motivator program zeroed in on speeding up the reception and development of its book subnet usefulness, which empowers a rich environment of versatile application explicit blockchain. At first, the program is centered around supporting new environments including, yet not restricted to, blockchain-empowered gaming, DeFi, NFTs, and institutional use cases. The Torrential Slide establishment dispatches a motivation program zeroed in on speeding up the reception and development of its clever subnets, the debut scaling answer for Web 3D apps, assuming the cash proceeds with its turns of events and tie-ups before very long. There are possibilities. The cost might skyrocket to $34.16. On the disadvantage, on the off chance that the market breakdowns and disappointment of updates might prompt a value drop to $17.54. Thinking about every one of the perspectives, the cost might arrive at a typical cost, $25.85 toward the finish of 2023. Torrential Slide crypto value expectation 2024. The bold essentials of the organization could welcome fresher selections, acknowledgements, and should push AVAX above significant adversaries. Emerging which, the computerized symbolics cost could shoot up to $59.28 toward the finish of 2024. On the other side, if the crypto resource faces huge liquidations, the AVAX cost could sink down to $35.26. Progressively, a balance in exchange practices could land the cost at $47.27. AVAX coin cost 2026. As per our investigators, Torrential Slide crypto cost for the year 2026 could run between $71.85 to $107.24, and the typical cost of a VAX could be around $89.55. Torrential slide crypto value expectation 2027. As per our examiners, AVAX cost for the year 2027 could run between $93.54 to $128.59, and the typical cost of torrential slide could be around $110.06. AVAX crypto cost 2028. As indicated by our examiners, torrential slide coin cost for the year 2028 could go between $109.17 to $153.95, and the typical AVAX cost could be around $134.56. Torrential slide value expectation 2029. As per our examiners, AVAX crypto cost for the year 2029 could run between $127.65 to $176.23, and the typical torrential slide cost could be around $156.94. AVAX value expectation 2030. As indicated by our examiners, torrential slide coin cost for the year 2030 could run between $145.23 to $197.18, and the typical cost of a VAX could be around $171.20. Torrential slide value expectation. AVAX is one of the youthful and promising altcoins. We have presented to you some intriguing cost expectation for this coin. The altcoin would keep humming its achievements with steady updates this year. As indicated by figured out AVAX cost forecast, it might crush $34.16 toward the finish of 2023. On the disadvantage, market variances and questionable worldwide circumstances. Even disappointment of updates can be a potential difficulty for the altcoin. What's more, in this way the AVAX cost might battle to combine around $17.54 continuously in basic examination. The driving force behind the torrential slide convention is Carnell Specialist M and Firearms Sire, which was sent off in September 2020. The principal thought process of this send-off was to get secure and quick exchanges the worldwide installment space. Torrential slide is a solid stage for sending off dApps, monetary items, exchanging, and different administrations. Any savvy contract-benefited application can lead over its rivals on torrential slide. Torrential slide effectively sent off its mainnet on September 21, 2020. From that point forward, the resource has seen colossal development to achieve more than 100 plus tasks, $1.60 M plus of a VAX consumed, and in excess of 500,000 local area individuals all over the planet. Torrential slide has its own local token AVAX that offers upgraded security with the capability of taking care of trillion exchanges each second. This local token works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Verifiable Market Opinions 2020 to 2022. AVAX made its presentation in September 2020 with an ICO of $5.40 and with a market capitalization of $128,248,483. Around the same time, in the wake of crushing a pinnacle cost of $6.97, the cost fell around $4.